So you guys remember Jamie Dimon, CEO of JPMorgan, said this.
I could care less what Bitcoin trades for, how it trades, why it trades, who trades it. If you're stupid enough to buy it, you'll pay the price for it one day.
According to this article, JPMorgan changes stance, encouraging clients to invest in Bitcoin. Well, what a huge hypocrite, huh? Why am I not surprised? So this article states that JPMorgan had conducted research on cryptocurrencies and published a report on it titled Decrypting Cryptocurrencies, Technology, Applications, and Challenges. And here are the most important parts of the report. Cryptocurrencies are unlikely to disappear completely and could easily survive in varying forms and shapes. JP Morgan is acknowledging that Bitcoin is here to stay and that regulations cannot make it disappear. It would still survive in varying forms and shapes, as said in the report. Like I said, this is like Bitcoin might not be the future, but the technology behind it definitely is. The underlying technology for cryptocurrencies could have the greatest application in areas where current payment systems are slow, such as across borders, as payment, reward tokens, or funding systems. JP Morgan acknowledges the problems with our current payment systems and says Bitcoin could have a great use in these situations. So, benefits of blockchain adoption: costs reduced, efficiency improved, liquidity increased, security enhanced, and regulation friendly. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin? This report gives institutional investors trust in Bitcoin. Right now, a majority of Bitcoin investors are retail investors. Now that a major institutional bank has supported Bitcoin, expect a flood of bigger players into the market, perhaps even JP Morgan itself. And this could also be the reason for the bullish run we've seen in the past day. Like, let's take a look at the market right now. See, Bitcoin at 11.5, like, this is hitting goals way earlier than I would expect, and we're at a $510 billion market cap, which is a little higher than I expect. So don't be all happy yet, because this still has a chance of coming back down for a little bit for a slight correction. But right now we're looking really strong. NEO's at 140 right now, so that's looking really good. But anyways, let's continue with the article. This also opens up a new era in cryptocurrency. Banks are starting to realize they don't have to be Bitcoin's enemy, and they're starting to reevaluate their stance on Bitcoin. So, like I said, only the future will tell what's in store for Bitcoin, but it's looking really bright, as I said. So I think this is a really good sign for Bitcoin, obviously. So within the next few months, expect new people and especially big money coming in play, which will dramatically increase the price. In other news, BitConnect still are scamming people. So as you guys might not have known, right after BitConnect pulled out,
That's what she said.
they were opening another ICO called BitConnect X, and it was going to be a platform where they would use BitConnect X, I guess, coins. And I don't know how people are still invested in this. I don't know how people still believe in BitConnect, but let's read this article and find out. BitConnect is not done scamming people. To put this into perspective, BitConnect is a big scam. Everyone knows this, and when the project disappeared, no one was really surprised. What is remarkable, however, is how the team is still around as we speak. As of right now, there's a plan to convert BCC to BitConnect X tokens in the near future. Even customers in the US can participate, which is rather controversial because they had, 2 lawsuits out of 2 states, now 3 probably, Texas, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, something like that. Any ICO which issues securities need to file with the SEC. This project is not doing so for obvious reasons. That is not the big news though. Instead, the BCC exchange will make a surprising return at some point as well. This means users can still trade and even buy this scam coin if they want to. There will also be a new and superior system which supports several cryptocurrencies. However, that will affect BCC and the rest of the cryptocurrency industry remains to be seen through. Moreover, the team seems confident BCC will regain all of its lost value in a quick succession. I don't think it will, because what is BitConnect at right now? Let's look. It's at 391. You're telling me, or the company's telling me that it's gonna go back up to 430, or at least 400s. Yeah, right. No one in the right mind will invest in the upcoming ICO. It is a new money grab by a company known for scamming users globally. There will always be some people who think this project is still 100% legitimate, which I don't know how. Like, probably the only people that really think is legit still are the people that like actually made a ton of money and are like on the top of the food chain, you know? As such, they will likely buy into the ICO as well in the future. For now, we will have to wait and see how things play out. This news is not a positive development for the cryptocurrency by any means. Scam projects need to be removed in one way or another. And that's the thing, a lot of the top 100 coins right now are scam coins. For example, like Ucash. Like, that was huge. Let's see what it's at right now. It's at 7 cents. And it's at 146. Remember the other day whenever it ran up to like, it ran up real high. Like, let's see right here, it says 12 cents. And it was just like, it was like, what, top 50 coins? And it was just for sure a crap coin. But I'm not surprised BitConnect's still scamming people. But the thing is like, I hope everyone's smart enough not to go back. But let's see, let's check out the BitConnect X ICO website before I leave real quick. There's probably gonna be so much news on this. Oh, no, not actually. Let's see if this website will load. So this looks just like the BitConnect. Like, I don't know how people are still buying this. Like, I just can't believe it. And I can't believe that this is actually still going on. Like, no one has put a stop to this yet. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, subscribe and tell me what you think about JPMorgan and BitConnect.